good everyone, the positive wearing worm camera during PNP operation. To ensure the legality and validity of operation, for example, in a service search warrants, there will be always remember that operation who in position in a body worm camera that follow to seizing officer whenever the lateral search the premises. The purpose of that is to record where the subject that indicate the search warrant was discovered by a seizing officer, because a file case against accused of search warrant, you will need to present the video was taken in such operation to the Pascal. In order for the Pascal believe that accused has position of subject that indicate in search warrant. Now, in the bypass operation is so very challenging to PNP operation to operate with body worm camera, because the target could easily identify them. And for most cases and burnout operative will most likely can cause a failed operation.
Police body worm cameras, for short BWC, can have negative effects including privacy concerns. Privacy concern can raise privacy concern such as when officers film people without their consent, including children. The next is misuse by officers. Officers may forget to activate their cameras or start recording in situations that don't require it. The next is budgetary constraint. Implementing BWC programs can be expensive. Police departments program and they may need to pay for cloud-based video storage. The next is exacerbating stereotypes. BWC footage may be used to reinforce damaging stereotypes of victims. Misidentification of victims. In some cases, BWC footage may lead to misidentification of victims. The next is decreased cooperation between police and citizen. May lead to decreased cooperation between police and the citizen. However, BWC can also have benefits such as improving transparency and accountability, building community trust, ensuring that offenders are convicted, and saving resources and time by reducing complaints.